Many of you will remember it was exactly a year ago last year that a financial crisis was rolling across the Atlantic towards us, a crisis so great that if we did not act, there was every possibility of a great new depression. A year ago, the 160-year history of Lehman Brothers Bank came to an end. It was a bank that had survived the Great Depression, and it had survived 2 world wars, but it could not survive this global storm, and 25,000 people lost their jobs overnight. But that was only the beginning. Lehman's was so entangled with the rest of the financial system that we saw what was the equivalent of a power cut right across the banking system of the world, and we saw trust collapsing. And it was clear that we were facing a crisis of such speed and such scope that, left unchecked, there was every chance that the whole system would freeze up, with people on high streets across the country unable to get the money they needed from the hole in the wall, families' lives savings being swallowed up, and companies unable to process their payrolls. And the reports, I have to tell you, that I was looking at were as stark as they were serious. We were facing a situation that could have been worse than 1929. And I knew then it was going to have to be us, the government, that was going to have to step in directly and ensure that whatever happened to the banks, we did not put at risk the savings of British people, the mortgages households depended on, the credit that businesses needed to maintain jobs, and try to save thousands of jobs themselves.